أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما هلك. Today on the menu we are making some Ebunuebunu. Yes, Ebunuebunu or Ghanaian green soup is typically made out of cocoyam leaves, but I use spinach in this recipe and it was perfect. This soup is healthy, flavorful, and made under an hour. Let me show you how I made it. I blended all my aromatics, which is onion, ginger, garlic, herbs, and some green chilies. Added into my choice of protein, which is some beef. Then I went ahead to add some chopped up onions, add one shrimp cube, and some all-purpose seasoning, onion and garlic powder. Then I added some black pepper as well, then cover it to cook. Usually you want to cook your beef in its own juices. Then we go ahead to add our vegetables, which is some green onions, some turkey berries, some jalapeno pepper, onion, and one hebanaro pepper with some green bell peppers. If you are a new or returning viewer, thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate you all. After adding the vegetables, I cover it to cook. Now it's time for us to get all the vegetables because it's cooked. Then I will go ahead to add my spinach. As I mentioned earlier, this soup is popularly made out of cocoyam leaves, which I do not have it here, but I substituted with some spinach, which has the same health benefits. So if you have spinach, I got you. You're gonna get the same aromatics and same umami flavor. Whilst that was cooking, I went ahead to add my smoked proteins. I had some adrenaline, some smoked mackerel, which I have a recipe here. I'm gonna link it up. Then I added some crab. Yes, you need that, with some koobi that I have a recipe with as well. And you can't forget your earrings, like amaneno. It was a eba soup, okay? After adding that, I went ahead to add some more water. Then I'll cover it to cook. Mind you, this soup is under an hour, so the time you're gonna spend on this soup is you cooking the beef, which is a little bit harder, but other than that, that is it. Like, it's healthy, it's warm, it's umami flavor, like it has all the qualities you need in a soup, trust me. And this was so delicious. If you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl. I normally upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays. So subscribe to your girl and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Ebunuebunu soup is typically paired with fufu in Ghana, but girl, you can pair it with any swallow of your choice. You can even have it with rice, okay? So over here, I was just adjusting my salt. And then we cannot go or finish this soup without some mushrooms and okra. Like, okay? I added the rest of my ingredients. As I mentioned, this soup is very healthy and it's very flavorful as well. At this point, my house smells so good and I couldn't wait to pair it with my fufu. If you know by now, you know fufu is one of my favorites. So yeah, came back to check up on the soup and look at that. Look at this green, this colorful, healthy and so flavorful soup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly subscribe to your girl if you haven't done so yet, and share it with your loved ones. Not only is this soup so delicious, it's very healthy. So yeah, you can omit and add any ingredients of your choice. After all, you are the one that is going to enjoy it. So yeah, I cover it to cook, and now I come back to check up on it. You know the soup is done when the oil starts to sit on top. I'm gonna leave the ingredients down below. And remember, when making this soup, you do not need any tomatoes. If you wish to add tomatoes, that is fine, but it tends to thicken the soup, which we do not want. But you can feel free to add tomatoes as well. Until my next one, stay safe and be blessed.